shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here today with the plan with me and my Wonton in a Million A5 wide insert. So before we get started, 3 things. If you enjoyed the video, show your girl some love by giving me the thumbs up. Feel free to comment on anything in the video, the sticker kit, anything like that. And last but not least, if you haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would love to have you here. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So this week I'm using a sticker kit from a new to me sticker shop. It's called Sweet Tea Plans, and this is called Happy Fall. So I did a reels showing my Happy Mail on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please go over there and give me a follow. As far as sticker kits and things, I'm going to be just showing these sticker kits that I purchased there or Happy Mail there because it's a lot to record videos and edits. So that's why I'll be showing them and sharing them. I'm still recording and editing over there as well. But anyway, I digress. So these are the full box stickers. These are the bottom washi and pattern washies. Functional date covers and date dots. We have some full box stickers here. We have a habit tracker, bill, do, other small habit trackers, work stickers. We have little things and other headers and more boxes. We have our heart checklist there, icons, flags, deco. We have more flags, glitter headers, and we also have the we have another full sheet of deco. So definitely her prices, I feel they were pretty reasonable, but I believe I shopped a sale. So I'm not 100% sure, but we are going to start as we do. And of course I speed up this first portion of me putting down the kit. So just sit here and enjoy the music. I'll be right back.
What is this and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we?
So now that we've got that sidebar laid down, I figured that for today, what we could do is something just a little bit differently. Typically, I'm not a no space planner. I'm a white space planner. I enjoy white space in my planners. Most of my planners are like that. But I decided to try to use most elements in this sticker kit without pulling in other elements like no foil, no icons. I don't think I use any icons in here except what was with the kit. And I tried that just for once. So we are starting with filling out the sidebar. I'm tracking my meds and I'm posting on social media. Of course, I'm going there on the sidebar and I'm adding in my meals. So Sunday I had beef lo mein, Saturday Jersey Mike's, Friday fajitas, Tuesday McAllister's, Wednesday fajitas, and Monday and Tuesday I had a pasta bake that I made. So, and when you see me pause there, I forgot what I ate, but I think I found it. So I'm trying to zoom in, guys. This pen that I'm using is an Energel Clenna, and I absolutely love those pens. Right now I'm just writing in my work schedule there. For Monday it was 8 to 5:30, Tuesday was 8 to 6, and Wednesday was 8 to 8:30. Thursday 8 to 8, and Friday 8 to 6:30, and Saturday 6 to 12. So I come in with that pattern washi just to break things up a little bit, and I put that quarter box there to indicate AC maintenance that I had completed on my AC, just to make sure everything is functioning before we turn it off for the upcoming cold weather. And then I highlighted that with a little pine cone deco that came with the kit. Now, cool thing about this kit is it had like 2 sets of deco, a bigger set and a smaller set. So for here, I'm using mainly the smaller deco. So I chose that buffalo plaid full box sticker with the candle on there and the blanket. It's cute. And I am following the pattern of the washi up top. There on the bottom, I added a orange half box, and I'm going to accent it with a buffalo plaid pumpkin because I love buffalo plaid, to indicate that I had a maintenance call to Honda about my car and that I received some happy mail from the Happy Planner. On that other one, it's a 3-heart checklist, and I just indicated things I tracked from my parents, like my mom had an EGD performed that day. Let's see, my brother left for work, and then I spoke with my friend Sophia for only about 5 minutes, but it was a quick, good conversation. We hadn't spoken in a while. Now, going to the second section, I'm going to put a rounded half box there in brown, along with that little camera with the leaves, to indicate that I had Happy Mail from Simply Gilded and Happy Planner on Tuesday. I think I'm totally obsessed with getting things in the mail and receiving Happy Mail because I can't just stop myself. And then I put down that cheetah print or that leopard print pattern washi, along with the glitter half box there, quarter box, indicating that I had a doctor's appointment that Tuesday. And then you don't see it in the notes over there because I had pasta bake, but I actually ordered DoorDash and I had Five Guys on Tuesday. And then I put a full box sticker there on the bottom. It's the little sweater with the little traveler's notebook. It's so cute. All right, there's a blank space there, but I'll come back towards the end and I'll add something there. So under the work sticker there, I put down another 3-heart checklist, and I indicate that I had Happy Mail from Old Navy. I started new meds, and then my bestie, one of my good friends, ended up in the ER again the second time in 2 weeks. So I wanted to remember that. I add another piece of pattern washi there with the leaves, and I put a trash day script sticker that came with the kit. And below that, I reminded myself that my dad had an appointment at the VA. Then I come through with that orange colored glitter header and another rounded quarter box to indicate my 7:30 midweek religious meeting. And then I used the little laptop brown icon that came in the kit. Whew! A mouthful. So coming over to Thursday, because I love putting double boxes right there in the middle, I match up the stickers and I put the glitter header there, a rounded quarter box, and that rounded quarter box says I'm gonna put a script sticker from the kit that says let's clean, and then I indicate the cleaning of the kitchen and living room that I performed that day. Then I decided to do one of those heart checklists because I had a lot of things going on that day. I had to go to the airport and return my car, swap out my car. I had a Joann's run. I went to Marshall's. I ordered groceries. I meal planned. Whew! That was a busy day, all on top of working those long hours. So on Friday, I worked from 8 to 6:30, and I fought with myself here to figure out which header I should put next. So that was the only thing that was really confusing for me this time. But then I landed on that orange header, and then I used that, I don't know what it is, like a stand, a cake stand that has the pumpkins and everything on top of it. And I put that there, that full box sticker. I grabbed that cheetah pattern washi again. And then you'll see me put a pattern leaf box to indicate that Friday that my husband came home from work. And then I'm going to get a one of like those appointment boxes. It's buffalo plaid as well. And there's a script sticker that says me time. And I just indicated that I started to redo my nails because I started them on Friday, but I did not finish them until Saturday. Then I get one of the little things boxes with the heart, just to indicate that Simply Gilded had a washi release. And then I also put another quarter box sticker to remind me that that's when our new structure came out at work with the new rolls. And then finally that I edited footage. That takes us to Saturday. And Saturday I get a gold glitter header and then one of those rounded buffalo plaid textured boxes. And I indicate that my daughter Kai and her husband Bri came over and they brought me donuts, so they're like my favorite people, along with that little cup of brew. Next, I did another appointment or scallop box there, and it indicated that I finished my nails. Finally, a Target run, and that my husband had an evening out on the town. And I wrote that right on top of that full box because there is space on that full box to do so. Lastly, on Sunday, and I'm a little bit ahead because of how I've sped this up, but I don't want the video to be too long, I put a glitter quarter box to indicate my religious meeting right at 10 a.m. on Sunday, a pink glitter header, and then a final buffalo plaid full box sticker with the cheetah pumpkin. And then I put the cheetah textured washi and a rounded orange washi box that said cook dinner, and I used the baking icon. It's like a mixer icon from the kit. I grab a little brown buffalo plaid flag to indicate my husband left for work, and then finally that I edited and recorded videos. What a very, very long and exhausting week, but I think I like this style. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Okay, I have lots of stuff left. I have that, I have this, I have these along with this. I have one full box sticker left and those. I still have pattern washi. I have those full boxes and bill dues. I have the weekend banners checklist, deco, and then I have this full page of deco. But I know exactly how I'm going to repurpose this. You'll see this soon in my faith planner. All right, guys. Well, that is my plan with me this week in my Wonton in a Million insert. Let me zoom out a little bit. I thought that I would try doing things just a little bit different. And I want you guys to let me know what you thought about me just writing and using the things in the kit, not pulling extra things into the spread. I mean, I could do either way, but I really enjoyed it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.